Okay, so today we're going to be using the official Harry Potter cookbook to make Hogwarts houses smoothies. I don't think it's going to look like that. Ours is probably not going to be great because, this is our first try and one step at a time. What you need is strawberries, pineapple, blueberries, and kiwi. So our kiwi actually turned out a little yellow, so I'm going to add food coloring. We don't have pineapple because it's not ready yet, so we're using bananas. So I'm going to also add food coloring to that. Then blue for Ravenclaw, blueberries. But they said that it turns out purple, so I can add food coloring to that one as well. And the only one that I don't need to add food coloring to is strawberries. So, yeah, let's do it. So blue and yellow makes green, but hypothetically, wouldn't blue and orange also make green? Because this looks orange, not yellow. Okay, so basically now we just layer it and try not to mix it with a spoon.
Okay, let's give it a shot.
And if I mess up?
Doesn't matter. I would try the banana first because it's heaviest. And if you mess up, it still tastes good. Good? All right, it looks good.
Do you want to see the back?
Yeah.
It only matters about the front.
All right. Show me how it looks.
It's really good.
Good. Here, I'll get you a straw. That'll help keep it all together. How is it? Now that's something to drink when you're sick, especially with the pineapple instead of the banana, because it's fruit that's all full of vitamin C. If you're not feeling great, you make this. It's pretty, you feel good, and it tastes good, and you'll feel better.
It's a little chunky.
Well, that's okay too. So we should have maybe done it a little bit more next time. Let me see it again up here. Is there anything left? No Hufflepuff left. Drink all the Hufflepuff now?
Actually, there's a little bit of Hufflepuff right there.
Okay.
I'm going to mix it.
Oh, if you mix it, let's see. It said you could mix it. It said if it didn't work, just mix it up. It said it still tasted great. All right, now show it.
It's basically just blue. There's no more Gryffindor, no more Hufflepuff, no more Slytherin.
Because Ravenclaws rule.
Thanks for watching me drink this amazing drink. Yeah. Please subscribe and like. This was really easy. This is super simple.
We'll try another one next time. I'll let you choose one. Okay?
This is Sybil's how do you say this? Sybil Trelawney's divination tea. That's what we're doing next time.
Let me see the picture of the tea.
It looks really good. I love tea, so it's a good pick for me,
It's glaring. Here we go. Wow, that looks good. What's in it?
1 orange, 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, 2 strawberries finely chopped, and several mint leaves finely chopped. We'll just use oregano.
No, that'll be a completely different taste. All right, you're gonna make another one?
Yes.
You want to say bye for now? And adios?
Already said bye. Can you see my leg like that?
Mm-mm.
Anything, don't wash it off. Just put it in. Anyway, so I was gonna say it made like a green and the kiwi, and I was like, oh no, I don't know what house this is, and it's Slytherin, so it's fine. It's like a very light green. So today we're going to be using the official Harry Potter cookbook to make Hogwarts houses smoothies. You're gonna start that again, and you're not gonna add that. Okay, start again.
Oh.
Don't worry about my mess. Oh shoot, you feel like you're cutting that out.
Alright.
Here's a tip. You can put any fruit in here, just don't wash it off, so then it will actually stay longer. I was gonna say live longer, but yeah, it'll stay longer.
Okay.
Oh shoot, you feel like you're cutting that out.